Good day everyone, we are Group 1 and today we are honored to present our project titled A Web and Mobile Automated Class and Exam Scheduler with Smart Notification. In many schools, scheduling classes and examinations often leads to conflicts, overlaps, and time-consuming manual adjustments. Our group saw the need for an efficient and organized system, which inspired us to develop a solution that automates these processes while ensuring accuracy and convenience. Our system is designed to help administrators, teachers, and students by providing an intelligent way to generate schedules, avoid conflicts, and send real-time notifications through time web and mobile platforms. With this, academic planning becomes smoother, faster, and more accessible to everyone involved. This project is made possible through the combined efforts of the following members: Abad Manilin, Dimaana Justin Carel, Gammad Edsalan, Gammad Geraldine, Galasinao Precious May, Suyo Jerilyn May, and Vingqua Rose Ann. In this presentation, we will walk you through the system's purpose, its main features, and the impact it can bring to school scheduling processes.
Ang una nating gagawin ay i-run ang system. Pagkatapos ay makikita dito ang login form at registration form. Bago tayo mag-login, gagawa muna tayo ng sariling account. Then, una, ilalagay ang ating school ID. Susunod naman ay ang ating full name. Ilagay ang email, ang section, at iselect ang department. Iselect ang year level, at pagkatapos ay gagawa tayo ng password, then confirm password. Then, pindutin ang register. At tayo ay pwede na mag-login gamit ang account na ginawa natin. Ngayon, ilagin na natin ang ginawa nating account. Una, ilalagay ang Gmail account. At pagkatapos, ilagay ang password na ginawa natin kanina. Pagkatapos ay mag-login na tayo. So, andito na tayo sa student dashboard. Dito sa student dashboard, makikita natin yung mga upcoming classes, exams, total notifications, tasks, schedule notes, notifications, and recent schedules. Meron din ditong view calendar, reminders, flashcards. And dito sa student dashboard, naka-indicate din dito yung my schedule. Dito sa my schedule, makikita natin dito yung my calendar. And sa profile ng student is pwede nating i-edit profile and sign out.
Admin dashboard. So, sa admin dashboard naman po is may makikita po kayong total users. So, makikita dito ang kabuuang bilang ng users ng system, bot, students, at staff. Sa screenshot, may 13 total users. Ibig sabihin, may 13 pong nakaregistered account sa platform. So, sa active schedules naman po is, ito ang bilang ng kasalukuyang semester schedules na naka-enable o naka-publish sa screenshot. So, zero active schedules, kaya wala pong ongoing schedules na naka-activate. Kung sa system alerts naman po is, makikita po dito yung bilang ng lahat ng announcement na ginawa at nakapublish sa system. May 32 system alerts, kaya marami nang na-post na announcements para sa mga users. So, sa system status online naman po is, ipinapakita dito kung operational ang system online, ibig sabihin, lahat ng services ay maayos at gumagana. Kikita po kayo dito na add new user. So, use para mag-register ng bagong students o staff sa system. So, meron po ditong create schedule. Ito ang module para gumawa ng bagong schedule. Pwedeng room schedule, class schedule, o event schedule. And meron po ditong nakikitang send notification para magpadala ng announcement or alert sa lahat o selected users. Kung may makikita rin po kayo ditong recent activities, makikita dito ang mga latest action ng admin, kagaya po ng admin dashboard access, created room announcement, and reschedule update room.
To choose the date in the system, simply click on the calendar icon found in the date field. Once the calendar appears, browse through the months and select exact day you need. After clicking your chosen date, it will automatically appear in the date box. Make sure to double-check the date before submitting to ensure accuracy.
notification, there's a pop-up window open where the admin is about to send an exam announcement. They typing the title. There is also a message box below it, and option to choose who will receive the notification to all users in the system.
For our outro, our project at SCED6 aims to solve common scheduling problems by providing an automated, easy-to-use, and smart system for managing class and exam schedules. Through its intelligent and scheduling process, real-time updates, and smart notifications, SCED6 help reduce conflicts, save time, and keep students and teachers organized. This system shows how technology can improve school workflows and create a more efficient learning environment. By combining accessibility, automation, and convenience, SCED6 become a reliable tool that supports both academic planning and communication. Overall, our SCED6 is designed to make scheduling simpler, faster, and smarter for everyone.